locate him expeditiously. Please, please, do the thing. He can't see me. Oh my God. Bruh, 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 bruh. Hello everyone and welcome to The Persistence. Because everyone and their grandma's playing Dead Space and I have Nintendo Switch. We don't have Dead Space. Nintendo said, here, take this. we have Dead Space at home. And this is what they gave us. I really hope this is better than
Nothing prepares you for deep space.
the last Deep Space.
The vastness of it all.
It sucked.
Some say it makes them feel small, insignificant. I can't say I share that feeling. I helped make this ship, the Persistence. She feels like mine. All that power. How could anyone feel insignificant next to that possibility? I have one hope to save her. To save myself. I have to make a person. Shape flesh from their genetic pattern. Link it to a digital copy of their mind. If anyone is going to escape the Persistence alive, it is going to depend on this person I am bringing back to life.
Oof, I'm a bit of an idiot.
It's going to depend on you.
Oh, we're all going to die.
On you never giving up. Together, we have to keep going.
We're not going, Bart.
It's time to go.
Let's fucking go. Let's go persist. I hope this is not like Deep Space, because Deep Space was awful. That was 35 minutes of my life I couldn't get back.
Did something happen? This body feels like it was just printed.
Oh, Zimri, you don't know how good it is to hear from you. Your new muscles are going to be stiff, so make sure you look around. Move your head about, please.
I'm on that. Oh, hello. Seems like a...
Now open the blast shutters. I need to show you something.
Are you going to show me those cakes? Show me those cakes.
There was a spark gap event on the last singularity jump. Ripped us, of course.
A black hole? Where the hell are we, Serena?
Listen, the deck portal is out. I need to recover a data module from the storeroom. I'll unlock the door for you.
Oof. I feel like we shouldn't have that much time. Is there a run button? I feel like there should be a run button.
There's a barricade just beyond the door into the storeroom. Please take a closer look. Use the microporter in your suit to cross this barricade.
Why is the storeroom barricaded?
One step at a time.
But... Oh. 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 That's weird. Okay.
I'm unlocking the storeroom. Brace yourself.
That's a mechanic I'm gonna have to learn. Oh. Fred looks dead. That is not Heinz ketchup.
That's me.
What? What the fuck?
Oh, that's me.
But it's just meat now. It's dead.
Hi,
but
me.
You're still alive, okay?
I'm pretty sure I'm dead.
Pick up that harvester. Now use that harvester on your old body. We need your DNA for printing future clones.
How do you tell that? You never tell the clone it could be a clone.
you and me, I'm afraid. We're the last survivors. The data module is right next to your old body. You can't miss it.
Yeah, I've been trying to pick
That's
that
the
up for
data
like
module
10
we
minutes.
need. Right. Put that into the deck portal in the other room, please.
Oh, there has to be a run button.
Hold the button displayed.
Okay. I still have, yeah, I gotta get used to these control buttons. Oh, this is definitely new. Oh, okay. Hey.
Retrace your steps to where we started. The deck portal is right next to the clone printer. I'm powering up the portal now.
What the hell is going on, Serena?
When we misjumped, it fried a lot of key systems. The clone printer here still works, but the auxiliary... Well, it's printing bodies, but they aren't human. I need you to be strong, Zimri. No one else can help us now.
Not really reaffirming, ma'am. Our 3D printer is going nuts and making zombies. We may or may not be a zombie. That's what I'm gathering so far. Oh. Oh, no. It can't be this kind of map. Oh, it can't be this kind of map. Or I'm not taking this map with me. Oh. Oh. And this ship is big. Oh, this ship's biggin'. Oh, no. This ship's biggin'. Boy, I will blow your fucking head off. Ooh. Ooh.
Watch yourself. There's one of them ahead.
I see it.
You need to creep up carefully from behind.
Oh, I'm
Crouch if
already
you
doing
have
it.
to. If you
Alright.
can inject a dart from your harvester at the back of the neck, you can extract some high-quality stem cells from its spinal cord.
Understood.
I'm already on. Oh, okay.
Nicely done. The console should open that door. Another one.
Is there a shield in this suit?
Yes,
Uh-oh.
but it only lasts a moment. You'll have to time your parry carefully.
Shit, man. Buttons.
Try it again. That's it. Now you just have to time your attack.
Buttons. Oh my god. Buttons. Buttons. Buttons.
You've got mail.
Buttons. Alright, that one.
I knew you were up to this.
That was
There's a lot of them
perfect.
out there, so don't be afraid to use stealth. You can't
that
fight them
was-
all, you know.
That was perfect. A perfect display of how safe we all are. Your lives are perfectly fine. No one's gonna die. This is gonna be the cleanest run. This run is gonna be so clean, you can rinse your mouth out with it.
In the business, we call this foreshadowing.
Alright? We are going to be just fine. Rest assured, give me all your shit. Anything here that I can take, I am absolutely taking. Can I get into this? Nope. Do that. So that's all that thing is good for. This thing doesn't shoot nothing. Oh, I can just hover over it and take it. I don't even have to press a button. Okay. I have a feeling more than a feeling.
Okay, what's the priority?
Iris is on this deck. You could head over to her and get the jump vectors calculated.
Yes, I feel lost.
Understood.
Just watch yourself, please. Those things are out there, and they are out for your blood.
I just saw that. Thank you. Why are they out for my blood, by the way? I don't know these guys. Like, I don't know any of these guys. I don't know anything that's happening right now. Suspense. Oh. Did that just give me, like, kind of... Okay. There's a guy around that corner. I was thinking more of him.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Don't mind me, Greg. It's nothing personal. From your pockets, though, big dog. Can I? Okay, yeah. I just want to make sure Greg is dead. Also, I'm going in his locker. I was stealing his 130-something bucks.
There's an armory fabricator here if you want some extra firepower.
I do?
You can use any Erebus tokens you find to unlock and upgrade weapons at these fabricators.
Grenade. I can't unlock jack squat. Oh, I got a long way to go. I got a long way to go. Ooh. Alright, hang on. Yeah, controls, because there has to be a way to run. Right? Wait. Control. Different. No, there's got to be a way to run, right? I feel like there should be a way to run. Health. Is that, can I have some of that? Oh, I know I'm gonna need that at some point. Okay. I want that. I want all the things to make me feel good. Yes, please. Ooh. There's a lot of stem cells on this ship. Like, are they like aborting babies or something? Like, what's happening? Ooh. I don't know what's going on, but I ain't trying to... Ooh, I ain't trying to find out what that... I hope that was me. More than anything else, I really hope that was me. I don't remember which way I'm supposed to be going. Okay.
It's pitch black here. Try your flashlight.
Ooh! It's Steve from accounting. Ah, don't mind me. Steal your stem cells. I want to make sure you stay dead. Okay? Okay, peace. Alright. Hello!
Maximum stopping power.
Hell yeah. What is this? I can't unlock any of this stuff. Okay. I definitely want that equipped. Where the hell am I at now? Okay, I'm here. And I'm trying to... I got a long way to go. I got a long way to go. Okay, well... Oop. I forgot. The way this map... Ooh. The way the map system is set up... Oh, they make sure you can't get comfortable. Ooh.
Getting some wicked power spikes near where you are.
What should I look for?
Any powered system could blow up under the wrong conditions. Even a hatch motor. Just be careful.
Okay. I mean, Bonjour. Bonjour. Oh, our friend is over here somewhere. Oh, there he is. I hope he doesn't see me. Oh, I hope he don't see me. That's cool. That's cool. Boss giving you shit, wife giving you shit. I understand. I understand. Listen, I'm gonna take the pain away. There you go. Here, take the pain away. Make you feel better. Okay. What's this? What is this? I can't. Man. All the cool stuff and I can't interact with it. I do like that. All I have to do is point at stuff and I have it. So it does like alleviate, what is that? Some of the stress. I fail to understand where I'm going. That's the problem. Hello. Vending machine for money. I've never seen that before. I am there. Okay. I think I just keep going this way, right? Oh, hey, whoa. Shit. I don't know where I'm actually going. I don't think there's anything else in here to be worried about. So I'm just gonna mosey around. I'm sure. Oh, I gotta unlock a power switch or something. Oh. I hear somebody. I hear somebody. I don't like how they sound. He sound like he going through it. He sound like he is having a bit of an episode.
Picking up some
Shit.
slow movement near you.
That scared
Could be
the
listeners.
fuck
What's
out
the
of me,
profile?
dude.
Top of the head hasn't formed properly. But watch yourself.
What the
They're printed
fuck?
with a pistol and not shy about opening fire.
Well, that's something we have in common.
Oh man. Fuck you. Get some. You are impervious to my crouch. You suck. Your mother raised a coward.
Nicely done.
Your mother raised a scrub.
Sentinel 9mm.
Thanks.
Standard issue to military.
Oops. Boy, you guys are scrubs. I'm just gonna keep the harvester. Ooh. I'm sure that won't come back to haunt me later on. I'm pretty sure that's fine. I'm not gonna have any regrets later on about that. No sirree, Bob. That won't make it into my therapy report. Okay. But can I use... No, I said can't. I want to make explodey stuff and cool guns. What is this? Huh. I still don't have a run option? Oh, he is right behind that door. Oh, god damn. You know what? Hey, close that door. Close that door. Hang on. Wait. Time out. Bro, these boys are organized. Oh hell, I got found. Oh shit. Ooh. Well, we died. Yeah, I thought I didn't really have a plan for that. 25% discount armory. Okay.
That
Oh,
could have
man.
gone better.
It could
I
have.
got your host body, that's all. I printed you another. This is our one safe. Here, you can use the stem cells you've harvested to enhance your
Oh.
clones.
I didn't know that. Fucking what? Oh, I didn't know that.
But I'm sorry. You have to go out again. I'm counting on you, Zimri. I know you can do this.
I don't know if I can do that. That looks like it also hurt.
I locked this portal to Deck 1, but it could be expanded if you can find some additional deck modules.
Okay. Back there real quick. Alright, so I'm back, and I just discovered that every level, every playthrough is different. So everything that I just did will not be the same. Oh my god. Yeah, give me this shit. Give me the stem cells. Okay, ooh. You guys look really, really banged up. Hang on, I need to look back at this map, because it doesn't come with me. Alright, go right, and then straight, all the way down. So go out this way, take a right. I'm gonna go straight all the way down. I'm not gonna go in that room and explore, even though my brain is telling me to. I really want to go in that room and explore. I'm going in that room. Hang on. I wasn't here. Nothing. All right. What's in here? I just need to see. My brain is like, just show me. Show me what's inside. That's what my ex said. Let's see. Alright, it wasn't nothing important. Just like my ex. I will continue to throw her under the bus. I don't care. Cancel me. Ooh, hello. I had to remember how to combat. No. You know what? I'm not even gonna deal with that. Nope. If you don't want trouble, don't look any further. Ooh. Ooh. Can I close that door? Scoop. Scoop. Ooh. Bro. I hear somebody. Dead. Okay, there he is. I hear a motherfucker. I need to locate him expeditiously. Please, do the thing. He can't see me. Oh my god. Bruh. Get your Michael Jackson Thriller looking ass out of here, boy. I swear to God. Fucking asshole. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Damn.
Sentinel 9mm.
I got one bullet. That wasn't even worth getting. Damn it. I'll try to be quiet. and creep away from him. I definitely need a melee weapon. I need something that actually, I don't know, does damage. I've lost my bearings. I've lost my bearings. Oh no. Oh no, I lost my bearings. I was supposed to keep straight, but where did I come in from? Okay, okay. That's Mr. Man I just beat up. Okay. He ain't had no face. Nah, don't y'all do that. So I need to go this way. Oh, crap. Ooh, is that all? What is this? Hey, open. Oh, thank you. Ooh, I like the shortcut. I don't like that sound. I'm not alone. There's definitely something in here. I hear things. I'm gonna just, ooh. So they just throw you in this shit. They just throw you in this shit, huh? I wasn't even ready, bro. I wasn't even ready. They just throw you in this bitch. Up east side block, bro. Get your dumb ass jump. Now here your heavy breathing ass homeboy. If he wasn't such a mouth breather, he might get away. Alright, this is, oh, okay. So we're going this way regardless. Bro, who in here breathe? Oh, ooh, hey. Ooh. No, 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 no. How? 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 You dumbass. How? You, thank you. You get the hell out of here. You go to hell. You go to hell. There ain't no way you heard me.
Sentinel 9mm.
Activate. Activate, please. Thing. Please. Oh no. I need to know where I'm at. Okay, fine. Don't tell me jack squat. It's not like I need it. Not like I'm lost. I could use a map. Ooh! I hear something clicking. I don't like that. What? Okay, hang on. Time out. Where am I supposed to be getting to? I don't recall where I'm supposed to be going. Shit. Map me, please. Suck my goddamn dick. Down to the right. This way. Hang on. How'd I get turned around? Yep. Through the doors. Bust a right. Keep straight. Okay. We got this. Through the doors. Son of a bitch. This is right. So I did get turned around going this way. Ooh. It's dark. It's dark.
Panels here are overloaded. Keep a wide berth from any that are arcing with electricity.
Ooh, I did not see him. Menacing in the darkness. Sir.